All right, guys, transitioning over to 2018 Leaf Immortal Soccer Collection. Brian's going to be the guinea pig on this one. Good luck, man. Let's see what we got. We have the meats. Foreshadowing. Hope Solo. Start things off. There's your girl. Gordon Banks. Lionel Messi, 3 of 5 parallel. And he hits. Darn if you didn't get a triple. Holy crap. 2 of 3. Messi, Ronaldo, Pele. Hello. That'll do. That, ladies and gentlemen, will do. Holy cow. Wowzers, wowzers. Nicely done, man. Awesome hit. I appreciate it. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.